Alright, so this is a new series that I'm going to be doing. This is the NMRA, which is National Model Railroad Association, Social Media Kit Building Contest. Say that 3 times fast. And this basically is where you get a building and you have to build it and make modifications to it according to get points, and then you can gather more and more points and eventually win the contest if you have enough points. This is a really cool contest, and I'm glad that the NMRA is doing it. The kits are $6.99 plus $6 shipping, so they're about $12. I'll leave links in the description again, and please be sure to hit the bell next to the subscribe button so that you get notified about new videos. So the rules of this let me just grab my piece of paper here. You must use the Dannon Feeds kit from railroadkits.com as the base of your structure. The NMRA has no affiliation with this company. It's just an inexpensive laser cut kit. You can build it any way you like, and you can get extra points for modifications and interiors and lighting and stuff like that. You must document the build on as many social media platforms as you can and mention the NMRA in all of your posts. We will give extra points for getting your friends, family, and work colleagues to join in. You must post on the NMRA Facebook group with your completed model during the construction and screenshots of your social media posts. Use the hashtag NMRA contest in your posts. Admins will have the final say in who the winner is, and the contest closes April 1st of 2018. So I think that this is going to be a really fun thing to do. Links in the description for all of the information on this. Definitely go and check out the NMRA website for more information. Thank you guys for watching part 1 of this video. Part 2 will be me actually unboxing the kits themselves. And thank you guys for watching, and be sure to like the playlist in the description so that you can keep getting updated about new videos.